First, I would like to know something about yourself. First, please introduce yourself.
My name is Umayado. I live in Malak Asti Road, Lucknow, and now this year I take admission in graduation BA first year, and my subject is English, Home Science, and Psychology.
So, what do you want to become?
Sir, I want to become a psychologist.
Psychologist you want to become.
Yes, sir.
So, are you doing something for becoming psychologist?
Yes, sir. I am doing something. I collect the knowledge of psychology. Side means that persons want to become a great in psychology's field. That's videos and content I collect in my notebooks, and that's why I collecting much content.
And which course are you doing nowadays?
Nowadays I am doing English.
You are learning English?
I am learning English from Akshar Institute.
And another course, are you doing graduation?
Yes, sir. I am doing graduation also.
Where are you doing graduation from?
I am doing graduation from Subhas, Netaji Subhas PG College.
So in which year are you studying?
I am studying first year.
First year. So you have taken admission this year or last year?
I am taking admission this year.
This year you have taken admission.
Yes,
but
sir.
you have completed your intermediate last year?
Because some of the problem in my financial, that's why I am not taking admission in last year.
So you had financial problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So are you regular student? Do you go to college regular?
Yes, sir. When any work in college, so I am regular. Now I am attending class online.
Now you have started taking online classes.
Yes, sir. But online classes also not properly provide knowledge because.
So in which classes do you get more interest? In offline classes or in online classes?
Sir, I am get more interest in offline classes because I am interesting and face to face interactions also. So I understand clearly.
So how do you feel when you come here?
Sir, when I come here, so I feel very happy because when I attend offline classes, so I am not attraction face to face. That's why I am interesting when I come here and I meet my friends and sir also. So I feel very happy when I come coaching in offline classes.
So when you face camera, then how do you feel?
I feel comfortable when I face camera because.
So now are you feeling comfortable?
Yes, sir. I am feeling comfortable.
So you talk in English with your friends?
Yes, sir. Sometimes I talk my friends and my brothers, my elder brothers. I talk in English at my home.
So
also.
do you think that now you have improved your English or still you want to learn something more?
Yes, sir. I'm improving my English, but I'm not best in speaking English.
But you speak better. So do you think so that your English is good now?
Yes, sir. I'm think something is good, not much better.
So still you want to improve your English.
Yes, sir. First I
So
want.
what all the things do you do for improving your English?
Sir, I'm attending classes and whatever content you send, I read that content and I learn English books also.
So you read English books.
Yes, sir.
Nowadays, which book are you reading?
Sir, nowadays I'm reading Rich Dad.
Rich Dad, Poor Dad.
Rich Dad and Poor Dad. Yes, sir.
So how many pages have you completed?
Sir, I listen only audio, but
So you listen audio?
yes, sir. I read in 9th class book in my brother.
So 9th class books you are reading?
Yes, sir.
So you listen audio books on YouTube?
Yes, sir.
So you listen audio books in Hindi or in English?
Sir, I listen English audio books.
So you understand?
Yes, sir. I'm not much understand, but I understand.
How many percentage do you understand?
If I talk about now this time, so I understand 70%, and if I talk about before, so I'm not understand anything.
So earlier you were not getting, but now
Yes,
you
sir.
have started getting.
Getting
After joining
interest.
this institute, you
Yes,
have
sir.
started improving your English.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can also ask some questions if you want. Can ask some questions.
Who suggests you to join Akshar Academy?
Who suggested you to join this institute?
I'm not suggested anyone before I joined this coaching. So Anurag sir, tell me you join speaking course because your English is not much good. When you join this coaching, so your English is improving. So I am suggesting Anurag sir.
So you earlier you were taking academic classes,
Yes, sir.
intermediate classes.
Yes sir.
So after completing intermediate, you came and you started your journey.
Yes sir.
So what all the things you have got from here? What the improvements you have got from here?
Sir, if I talk about before, so I don't know what is goal and what is life. What is life? So I learn there are so many things about in this coaching, and I learn what is outside. Well, means what is when you go outside, how to talk in others and manners. There are many things I learn here only, and I am not learning in my other college schools and college. Whatever I learn in my life and in my journey and goals, all things I learn only here, and I am not learning anything about in outside.
Oh, good. And next question you can ask.
Which is your favorite subject?
Which is your favorite subject? Which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
English is your favorite subject
Yes,
now.
sir.
And earlier you had another favorite subject.
Yes sir, earlier my favorite subject is biology,
And
because
now
I want to become a doctor.
you want to become a doctor.
Yes, sir.
Still you want to become a doctor,
Yes.
or have you changed your goal now?
Now sir, I am changed my goal.
Now what do you want to become?
I want to
Psychologist. You said
Yes,
you want
sir.
to become a psychologist.
but this also in medical field.
That's related to medical.
Yes sir.
Okay, good. Next, one more last question. Siddharth wants to ask something.
Why you learn English?
Why are you learning English?
I am learning English because English is very important for everywhere, and I like to talk in English for any persons and in my family members, and I improve my English because in my goals is help me. That's why I learn English, and I like also most.
Oh. So I hope you must have enjoyed today.
Yes sir, I am
Okay, so
enjoying
we'll
it.
talk you next day on the different activity we will do. So please give her a big hand.